Hello one and all. On the behalf of Signet Public School, I, Vidya Devi Bhavkar, would like to welcome you on today's great occasion. Today, 2nd of October is a great day for us. 2nd of October has great national importance for the country, as on this day, two great leaders were born on the Indian soil. Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation, and Lal Bahadur Shastri, the second Prime Minister of India. With their selfless service to nation, after the death also, both were continuously inspiring everyone. Let's salute to both the great leaders. Now, this year 2020, we are celebrating 151st birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi and 116th birth anniversary of Lal Bahadur Shastri. Lal Bahadur Shastri, the second Prime Minister of India, was born on 2nd October 1904 in Mughal Sarai, Uttar Pradesh. He was impressed by M.K. Gandhi. He completed his graduation from Kashi Vidyapith in 1926. He was given the title Shastri, which means Scholar by Vidyapith, as a part of his Bachelor Degree Award. But this title got into his name. In his political career, he played significant roles like Parliamentary Secretary, the Minister of Police and Transport, Minister of Transport and Communication, then the Minister of Commerce and Industry. In 1961, he was appointed as Home Minister, and on 9th June 1964, he became Prime Minister of India. He promoted the Green Revolution to increase the food production in India. He introduced a slogan, Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, to highlight the contribution of soldiers and farmers in the process of national development. He was the first person who had used jets of water to disperse agitators instead of lathi charge. He signed the Tashkent Treaty to end the Indo-Pak War in 1965. He was posthumously awarded the Supreme Civilian Award, that is Bharat Ratna, in 1966 to remember his great contribution towards nation. Really, he was a man of great integrity and competency. Now, let's move towards the next one of the greatest political and spiritual leader of 20th century, that is Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated across the country and it is one of the national holidays. Gandhi was preacher of non-violence. Gandhi was a symbol of peace and truth. On 15th June 2007, the United Nations General Assembly announced that 2nd of October will be observed as International Day of Non-Violence. On 2nd October 2014, the Government of India had launched Swachh Bharat Mission. Now this year, 2020-21, is the second phase of Swachh Bharat Mission. Gandhi is known as the father of the nation. On 6th July 1944, Subhash Chandra Bose called Gandhi as the father of the nation. After him, in 1947, Sarojini Naidu referred Gandhi as the father of the nation. Mahatma Gandhi ji was known as political leader, freedom fighter, activist, philosopher, educationist, and writer. Now, let's see the life sketch of Mahatma Gandhi. His full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born on 2nd of October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat. He was known for Indian independence movement and non-violent resistance. Now let's see the Gandhiji's philosophy of life. His belief in God, truth and non-violence, Satyagraha, Sarvodaya, which is known as universal uplift, Swaraj, trusteeship, Swadeshi. These are few aspects of Gandhi's philosophy of life. Now, let me focus on Mahatma Gandhi, his concept of education and philosophy of education. According to him, by education, I mean an all-round drawing out of the best in child and man, body, mind and spirit. Literacy is not the end of education, nor even the beginning. It is only one of the means whereby man and women can be educated. Literacy in itself is no education. I would therefore begin the child's education by teaching it a useful handicrafts and enabling it to produce from the moment it begins its training. I hold that the highest development of mind and the soul is possible under such system of education. The above mentioned short statement of Gandhi is significant to comprehend his view about education, his philosophy of education. Such a philosophy focused on all-round development of one's personality, leading one to achieve his goal of life. He thought that education is closely associated with the socio-economic development of the society. He took up scheme for basic education, which is known as Basic Education Scheme or Nai Talim or Buniyadi Shikshan. Also it is known as the Varda Education Scheme, which was introduced in 1938. In it, work experience and vocational training is the most important aspect. His principle, learning by doing, tries to stimulate the individual's mind to think creatively, independently and critically. His great emphasis on work, culture to the student from primary stage to the higher stage. His primary information of basic education is head, heart and hand rather than reading, writing and arithmetics. According to him, basic education is a combination of naturalism, pragmatism and idealism. Gandhi also mentioned that education is essential for the attainment of the goal of peace. It can be attained only through morality and ethics. Ethics and morality are integral part of Gandhiji's life. As we know that all his thoughts, actions and speeches were based on these two concepts. His philosophical concept of education is entirely based on the development of human personality, to maintain the discipline, to create the manual work with learning and to develop the culture of peace. He knew that education is most important means in the society, which can be used as an instrument of socio-economic process, material advancement, political evolution and moral development of an individual. Really, he preaches the doctrine of simple living and high thinking. In today's life also, His philosophy of education plays significant role. Last but not least, I would like to end with his favorite prayer. रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरे नाम, सबको सन्मति दे भगवान। ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरे नाम, सबको सन्मति दे भगवान। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। Once again, let's salute to these two great leaders. जय जवान, जय जवान, जय किसान। महात्मा गांधी की जय। जय हिंद, जय भारत। थैंक यू।